Good morning. So today we are going to discuss about the antidiuretic. So before we are going for the antidiuretic, we'll see about the renal physiology also. Now, whenever we are talking about the excretion, it is a biological process and it is one of the important parameter of the pharmacokinetics also. Now, excretion it is playing a vital role for eliminating toxin and other waste products from the body. Through this elimination process, drugs and other metabolites it will be excreted from our body. So, in plants and animals, including the human, as a part of the metabolism, a lot of waste products are produced, which is excreted through the you can say that through the different routes. Now, humans generally excrete the waste in the form of such urine, sweat, fecal matter, tears. Also, you can say that metabolites and all also in case of the lactating mother, they can be excrete from the milk also. Now, among these, the usual and the main form of the excretion of the urine. So as we know that kidney it is one of the important parts of the body and it is the main organ which is responsible for the excretion of metabolite through the urine. Now, as we have told that this kidney is playing an important role in the process of the excretion. Now, if we are talking about the excretion, that means urine. Now, urine consists of the almost 90% of the water and 5% of the solid waste. Now, to produce the urine, nephron and collecting drugs perform the basic process. So, what is the formation of the urine? So, that is the first one is the glomerulus filtration, tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion. So these are the three basic processes. Now coming to the glomerulus filtration, the water and most solute of the blood plasma move across the walls of the glomerular capillaries and into the glomerular capsule, then into the renal tubule. So this is the glomerular capsule. Right? This is the glomerular capsule. So what will happen from the blood? This is the blood, and from the circulation. The majority of you can say that like a large number of the water as well as the blood plasma defined solute which is present in the blood plasma through this glomerulus capillaries it will enter into the nephron through the glomerular capsule. So this particular phenomena it is known as a glomerular filtration. Right? Glomerular filtration. Next is tubular reabsorption. As the filtrate fluid flows along with the renal tubules. Clear? So filtrate. So here glomerular filtration. So filtrates it will be you can say that through the renal tubules and through the collecting ducts. So tubule self reabsorb. Again there is a reabsorption of 99% of the filtrate water and many useful solute. That means you can say that what are the water and the solute absorbed here, again it will going back to reabsorb into the tube through the renal tubule, it will reabsorb into the circulation. Then it will reabsorb into the blood. So water and solute returns to the blood as it is flows up, that is the peritubular capillaries and the vasa recta. So again we can say that this is the process of the reabsorption where 99% the water and majority of the solutes again it will be reabsorbed. Next is tubular secretion. So tubular secretion. As the fluid flows along with the renal tubule through the collecting duct, tubular ducts and the you can say the tubule and the duct secretes other materials such as waste, drug, excess iron into the fluid. So from here, what are the drug metabolites is there, waste products is there, or the excess iron is there. Again, it will be you can say that going into the nephron. Let going into the nephron from the circulation, and which it will actually excreted through the urine, then which is excreted as urine as a part of the urine. So this is the process of the normal urine formation or the renal physiology. So if we are seeing into this, say again, it is the glomerular filtration. This is you can fed arterioles through which only it will be got absorbed. Now ultrafiltration, all the solute plasma component first it will be absorbed. Clear? First it will be absorbed through the glomerular filtration. Clear? Glomerular filtration. Now reabsorption, glucose, lactate, 2-oxo acid, amino acids, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, chloride, sulfate, bicarbonate, water, phosphate, all those things it will be again reabsorbed into the circulation. Clear? All those things it will be get reabsorbed. And then secretion. Clear? Again the tubular secretion. So like H plus and excess, potassium ion, drugs, uric acid, creatinine it will be secreting. And then you can say that again some you can minor secretion and the reabsorption process is there, and then it will be excreted as urine. So this is the normal physiology of renal physiology and urine formation.